हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज ऋतिक तिवारी एंड टुडे आई will tell you the Jarvis Iron Man Jarvis created by me by the help of Python. Firstly, I want to show you all the codes and command. You can see on the screen. I imported all the library and give the command. This is demo video, so I want to show you one the demo and the characters of Jarvis. My Jarvis can speak. My Jarvis can wish me good morning, good evening, good afternoon, etc. My Jarvis can give on introduction. My Jarvis can listen. My Jarvis can search on Wikipedia. My Jarvis can search on YouTube. My Jarvis can tell me the exact time. My Jarvis can open any web browser like Google etc. My Jarvis can play the video. Bus, the end. Okay. I want to show you everything. Firstly, I go to run the command. Okay. He will give you his own introduction in few seconds. And firstly wish you the good morning according to time. Now it is good morning, so he will wish you good morning.
Good morning, sir. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
Jarvis, open Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
You can see here Jarvis searching on Wikipedia and to tell you about Wikipedia because I did not give
According
anything.
to Wikipedia, Jarvis Island, formerly known as Bunker Island or Bunker's Shoal, is an uninhabited 1 plus 3/4 square mile, 4.5 square kilometers, coral island located in the South Pacific Ocean, about halfway between Hawaii and the Cook Islands. It is an unincorporated, unorganized territory of the United States, administered by the United States Fish and Wildlife Service of the United Department of the Interior as part of the National Wildlife Refuge System.
Jarvis, open YouTube. You can see my Jarvis with give open YouTube. He will open home page of YouTube because I didn't give any specific channel name. It will take time because slow of my internet connection. You can see here he opened the home page of YouTube. I just cut it down. You can Jarvis play video. and Jarvis will play my video on my own
Hello, good
laptop. This
morning,
is
India.
my safety video of Wi-Fi setting. I just cut them. Jarvis open code. Jarvis open code. Now my Jarvis open the Python program code and I can give any command here. I just cut them. The time is
Sir, the time is 9 hours 34 minutes and 8 seconds.
you can say Jarvis tell me the exact time what happened now. Thank you. Jai.